always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. I want you to listen to me very carefully. You shake man's hand, but you don't shake him heart. In English, you shake a man's hand, but you cannot shake his heart. It is impossible to know what is in a person's mind, what them really thinking, and what is in them heart. Because people will say things that they not necessarily mean, So I want you to be mindful that you shake a man's hand, but you not necessarily shake his heart. You hear me? There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know we Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need to.